So for all you low carbers out there, I'm thinking of you. I have one hard-boiled egg left from my week of cooking, and I'm gonna show you how to make a low-carb egg sandwich. So you're gonna take a hard-boiled egg, cut it in half horizontally, 2 eggs, 2 halves, and then you're gonna stick a piece of cheese. I have Swiss, and then a piece of bacon into the center, or maybe you wanna do 2 pieces of bacon. I mean, you are low carb, you can eat the bacon. And then you're gonna stick your top half of your egg on top. Get a toothpick, thread it through, and then I do a little sprinkle of crushed red pepper flake over the top, and you have low carb egg sandwich ready to go. Prep them for the week. Thank me later.